Hi, Charlie Cushane here. I've been asked to do a video of all the different mods I've done to my camper, my chalet. And there's so many, I'm going to break it into two videos. One of the outside and one of the inside. And if I have videos of those mods, I'll put a link at the bottom. So let's take a walk around. Okay, now it's time to go inside and see all the mods I made on the inside. So let's go. This is what the inside of our chalet double slide looks like. And it is fantastic. We're so pleased with it. And one of the first mods I want to show you here is how we converted our dinette from a traditional dinette to having two Lazyboys with articulating arms so you can get in and out and use your computers. And I made a great video on this, so I'll put the link below in the description, so take a look for it, and it's one we're really happy with. The next mod I get a lot of questions about is the actual washing machine. That's right, we have a washing machine tucked between our sink, our island, and our TV. And it's a 1 cubic foot higher washing machine. That is great. We just hook up with the sink, with the faucet, and it works fantastic. So take a look for a video on that as well. Another mod we did, which I mentioned on the outside, is our 3000 watt inverter. And this is the inverter, and when you turn it on, that nightlight comes on, and it definitely shows that it's on. And it's 3000 watts, so we can run anything. Toaster oven, hair dryer, when we're boondocking. Well, here it is, the final project. It's all installed. I have benches so that we could sit here if we wanted to eat here. Or just have additional storage space. Plus, there's plenty of room to walk beside it. So it accomplished exactly what I wanted. Now if you go into the kitchen area, in here I built all kinds of storage racks, as you see here. It doubled our storage space. As you see there, it goes all the way across. And my wife has loved this. I have a good video on this, so keep an eye out for that one. We also added a paper towel holder, and in our drawer we have all kinds of storage, and it's 100% utilization. These dividers can be taken out and moved if you want. They're held in these slots, as you see. So that works out fantastic. So that's it in the kitchen. If you go down here and rotate this TV, in the back here, I built all kinds of shelving. We had plastic bins, but it was too much wasted space. Now I have 100% utilization of different shelves that I can actually move, and we get 100% storage space now in there. Walking into the bathroom, you'll see we have a beautiful bathroom. The tub and shower are nicely white because I just whitened those. That was a good video. But one of the things that we did, we added this Shubb shower door. I took down the shower curtain and added this shower door, as you see. We love that. And one of my last mods I did, I actually made a sunshade that goes up, you see, and blocks all the light from this skylight that was turning the tub and the sink yellow. That's worked out fantastic. Another small mod I did was added hooks. the simple hanging hooks underneath our control panel for putting all our keys and sunglasses. That really works out great for us. Okay, now going in the bedroom, or the cab over as they call them in truck camper land, if you look back at the Heki vent, a lot of people have had trouble with their Heki vent with these latches breaking. Ours have not broken yet, but I wanted to make sure it would never come apart, and I made this nice piece of metal that goes across and holds it down tight so it could never open even if those handles broke. I have a great video on that, so take a look for that. So there you have it. That's what makes me a truck camper mod scientist from doing all those mods. I look forward to showing you more mods in the future. Stay tuned. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe for future videos.